Hi, I'm Jamie, and that's Remy.
Hi, this is a Comedy Sisters production.
Yep, Comedy Sisters. Hope you like the show. Now view a picture of a guy blowing bubbles. What is the sternest ticking noise? Over here, over there. Kind of catchy. Snake, snake, Severus Snape, snake, snake, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, snake, snake, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Ron, Ron, Ron Weasley, Dumbledore, Ron, Ron, Ron Weasley, Dumbledore, Snape. I'm Hermione, Hermione, Hermione,
Hermione, Hermione,
Harry Potter,
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter,
Harry Potter. Harry Snape, 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 Harry. Dumbledore, Hermione, Ron, Weasley, Dumbledore, singing our song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the mysterious ticking noise. It's a pipe bomb. Yay! Uh-oh. Ho, 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 ho. Voldemort, 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 Voldemort.